What's going on? Any pain or discomfort?
My spine and my lower waist and my neck sometimes.
Wasn't too bad, right? I want to spin, twist, do all these things.
I think it's better.
It's easier.
Mm.
You'll be okay. Talk to us. What?
I'm panicking already, that's why.
You're panicking.
Mm-hmm.
Me too. What's going on? Any pain or discomfort?
My spine and my lower waist and my neck sometimes.
So when you say spine, like right in the middle of the spine. For how long has it been going?
4 years.
4 years?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly 4 years. Not 4 years and 1 month, exactly 4 years. Today's the anniversary.
4 years plus, yeah, you can say that.
Alright. So you're obviously nervous.
Mm-hmm.
Good. We'll scan and then I'll show you the x-ray. Your feet on the ground, your palms up on your lap. Your palms up on your lap. This is just scanning, nothing is happening.
Okay.
Allow your head to move, wind it back.
Okay, let's continue.
It wasn't too bad, right? Yeah.
Okay. What's next?
You've checked your head. It's there. Sorry. Face this way.
Jesus.
Relax.
No!
Can't come up. Relax down. Then my head up. Don't do that. adjustments. Your hands to your side. Right to relax. You bring your hand to your stomach. Are you with me? Okay. You feel sore?
I feel like.
You feel light? So it's, what you were expecting. It's even better than what you were expecting. See how yours is moving. But your hair is shaking before. You okay? Huh?
It's better.
I want to spin, twist, do all these things.
I think it's better.
It's easier. You'll be okay. You will rest. Stop. Okay, relax. Leave your body.
Because I couldn't do all the stuff like earlier. Like I'll feel pain. So
When you do it earlier,
I tried.
but now you don't really feel too much pain.
No.
Okay. Come on, please. You will rest for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Wonderful.
It's real. Thank you for doing it.
Oh.
Jehovah, that won't enter.
Bro, this thing is real. I swear, this thing is real.